Hey everyone, welcome back to the food vlog. Today I have another Halloween treat. I have this brain jello made out of milk. It's so good and super easy to make. If you want to see this recipe, then keep on watching. You need 1 box of gelatin with 4 envelopes, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup of cold milk, I used 1% milk, pink food coloring, green food coloring, non-stick cooking spray, and your brain mold. I got this at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna start with the gelatin. I'm adding 4 packs of gelatin into a small bowl. I'm gonna add 3 ounces of cold water and mix that. I'm then adding 3 ounces of boiling water and mixing that well. Make sure your gelatin is well dissolved, and it should look something like this. So now I'm gonna start with my jello mixture. I'm adding the 1 cup of milk, the evaporated milk, and then the sweetened condensed milk. After mixing everything really well, I'm gonna add my gelatin and mix that once again. I'm gonna add pink food coloring to make it look like a brain. Then I'm gonna mix that, and I do add a little bit of green just to get a more dual mauve color. Here's the mixture and the color I wanted. So now I'm gonna grab my mold. Make sure you spray your mold with the non-stick spray. Carefully, I'm gonna add the mixture into the mold. Since there's a little air bubbles and foam on top of my mixture, I'm gonna grab a paper towel and remove it. So my jello is ready. I'm gonna set it in the fridge overnight between 5 to 7 hours. So here is the jello. I wet the tip of my hands with cold water, and gently I'm pulling the jello away from the mold. I'm gonna grab my plate and gently flip the mold over. And voila, my jello came out so perfect. And I'm all done. Here you have the brain jello. It's so good. You could add different flavors. I personally love milk jello. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like for more videos. And happy Halloween.